guys, welcome back to Recrafty. This is me Shahina and this is your Shahrukh. In this video we're going to see how to make soupy noodles. If you are new to this channel, then click that subscribe button. Click the bell icon near to the subscribe button and click all to never miss the current updated videos. Here we have the ingredients. Let's take a kadai and add 2 tablespoons of oil. After adding oil into the kadai, let's add 2 cloves of chopped garlic, half a teaspoon of ginger chopped, 1 tablespoon of chopped green chilli, 2 tablespoons of chopped spring onion, and few amounts of chopped coriander leaves. Now, using a spatula, mix it very well, and then when it comes to this stage, add 1 liter of water. The reason that we are adding 1 liter of water is to get that soupiest noodles. After we add the water, the ingredients that we added before the water gets floated up. By now, let's add 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, half a tablespoon of white vinegar. You can also use the normal one. I am using the white vinegar. And then 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 pinch of white pepper and half teaspoon of sugar. Either you can use black pepper even, only a pinch, and then using a spatula mix it. After it came to a boil, let's add few vegetables like carrot. So I'm adding half a cup of carrots. It's according to you that you add vegetables. Then cabbage, again half a cup. Then finally I'm going to add capsicum. 1/4 cup of capsicum, which is green in color. You can add the other 2 capsicum, that is red or yellow, or you can also add all the colors of capsicum. Only 3 vegetables are added into this awesome soupy noodles and mix it after adding the vegetables. Guys, yeah, we are ready to add the main ingredient. It's gonna be the noodles. So let's add 100 grams of plain noodles, and it can be eaten up to 3 to 4 people. Mix it for a minute and keep it for up to 5 to 6 minutes to get the vegetables and the noodles to be boiled. You could see that the noodles is ready to eat. It is so flexible. It's ready to eat, but one more thing to be done. You could see that the soup is watery. We doesn't need a watery soup. We somehow need a thickened soup. So for making the soup thickened, we are supposed to add a mixture of 2 tablespoons of corn flour plus water mixture into the soupy noodles, and just for 2 to 3 minutes when you mix it, it gets thickened. If you feel it's not thickened even after adding this mixture, then add a little more corn flour plus water mixture again. Before turning off the flame, sprinkle few chopped spring onion, and then you're ready to serve it. Serve it hot as well as serve it with ketchup, and you will feel that you're eating a restaurant style taste. So yeah, hope you will love this video so much. If you like, then do subscribe, like, comment, share, and click the bell icon to never miss the current updated videos. Tata and bye bye.